So in this video, I'm going to take a look at the highest paying programming languages, which basically means if you know how to program in this language and can get a job, these are the ones that pay the most. This is part of my series that I look at different data sets and just kind of analyze or see what's interesting about them. And so here's the list. This is from Stack Overflow. I found a few, but they all seem to be pretty similar. The ones I found in Stack Overflow seems to be highly regarded and often is cited in different articles. They refer to this. And so languages like Clojure and Erlang and F+, and Lisp. Ruby is probably the most popular. Ruby and Go, I guess, would be, and Perl, I guess, are probably the more popular ones. Scala works on top of Java. Rust is definitely gained popularity. But a lot of these are not super popular, though, and you can just take a look at Stack Overflow's most popular languages or most used languages, and there's actually no overlap, which is kind of interesting. There's no overlap in the top 10. And we go down a little further in here. I'll provide the link. You can see that where some of these do come in. For instance, you have to go down pretty far to get to kind of Python and C++, and C++ and JavaScript, way down there with Java. So that is interesting to see, but in a way kind of makes sense that I guess the less known languages, or I don't know if some of these may be even more difficult to there is one website that said a lot of these languages are most programmers complain they're kind of difficult to work with, and so that could be why they're not popular. But it kind of makes sense that the ones that are more popular, you probably wouldn't make this list of top paying, because there's a lot more people doing this, and supply and demand type thing where there's less people doing this, so you're going to get paid more. Kind of makes sense to me that it works out that way. The only other thing of note is I'd looked at Indeed's website, and they are a job posting website, and the 7 best languages to learn, and it kind of makes sense that these are all languages that are on the most popular language list, except for maybe Swift, which wasn't really on either of these, but is up and coming. That makes sense too, because you'll probably get a job quicker knowing them, but you might not get the highest paying job. But I guess you would be more employable with that. And then here's Tayobi's list of the most popular ones, and it kind of matches the top 10 that we saw on Stack Overflow's site. So that's it. I just wanted to kind of review that. I'm curious, please leave in the comments any thoughts that you have about these lists. Thanks for watching.